Vlogmas Day 6. In today's video, we're going to discuss what Christmas means to us.
What Christmas means to me, I love the Christmas spirit. I also like the decoration. It brings me the Christmas spirit. Also, I like the Christmas movies. I love to watch them. Like, my favorite one is Polar Express. Come on. And my third reason, I love the Christmas songs. I like to listen to them. My favorite one's Believe because it brings me the Christmas spirit. It's from Polar Express. And I like that we have Christmas Eve dinner on Christmas Eve. Like we have pozole and stuff, you know. And my fifth reason, we do this tradition like every night. We get hot chocolate, popcorn, and we can watch Polar Express. And that's what I like about Christmas holiday. What about you, Lisa?
Oh, so my favorite thing about Christmas is the Christmas spirit, of course, because I love it. Like, who doesn't love Christmas spirit? Like, what? And then I love the movies. It'd be funny. It'd be like so enjoyable about Christmas, friends and family. And then I like about the gifts, because you know I love gifts. I love to open presents. And we all get so excited, you know, all that Christmas jolly. And I like the Christmas songs, you know. I love Christmas songs. Like, it brings me so much into, you know, Christmas spirit, and I love about that. And then my last one is when we get to do our tradition, which we usually eat popcorn, hot chocolate, watch Polar Express, because you know that movie means something to us, because that's really like a special movie to us. So we really love to do that. So we do that every year on Christmas Eve. Okay, that's it for today's video. Let us know in the comments what Christmas means to you. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.